How to fix subtitle glitch on Crunchyroll app. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to fix it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Crunchyroll app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you'll see this kind of interface. Now when playing the video, if you are facing the issue of subtitle glitches, in order to fix that, you can restart your app first. Now relaunch the app again. If you still have the same problem, you need to go to your settings first. Here at the bottom right corner, you can see the account option. Tap on it. Over here, you can see the option of show closed captions. Right beside that, you can see the toggle icon. Make sure that this is enabled. And right above that, you can see the subtitle section. Tap on it. Sometimes, mistakenly, it might be selected to none. Make sure that other languages are selected. You can select your preferred language. Now try to replay any video again and see if the subtitle glitch is resolved. If it doesn't, you can try to clear the app cache memory. So for that, you can tap and hold on this Crunchyroll app icon. Now tap on this information icon over here. Now scroll down to the bottom and select the storage option. At the bottom right corner, you can see the clear cache option. Tap on it. And now your cache memory of the Crunchyroll app is cleared. You can now try to restart the Crunchyroll app and the issues of the subtitle glitch will be resolved. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.